Hello everyone, welcome back to the course on part modeling in PTC Creo. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the revolve command. First of all, we have to draw this sketch. The sketch must be a close profile. So click on the plane, click on sketch. Then in this case, you have to draw the close profile. For the understanding, we are drawing here one circle. Let us take the circle dimension as 200 and the center distance keep as a 300. To operate the revolve command, we require the axis. So click on the center line, put one axis. Then you can see here the close profile. So that's why click on OK. Then revolve command, click on revolve. It will take automatically an axis which we have drawn previously. Now in this case we have drawn the donut shape. Let us check how many options we have for this case. So in case of placement, we have selected this sketch. In case of options, we have first option, it's a variable revolve. So this particular case is for 360 degree revolution. So let us change it to the 60 degree. So here you can see the revolve command is operated up to 60 degree. Here you can change the orientation by clicking the white point on the screen. So this is the one side revolve. You can do the symmetrical revolve. So for that purpose there is a second option, symmetrical revolve. So in this case you can symmetrically revolve the circle. Next command is, suppose we want the variable revolve command along the plane. So this is the second case, in which suppose in first case we want 60 degree revolve, and in second case suppose we want 100 degree revolve. So here you can see variable revolve 100 as well as 60. So this is the two different planes variable commands we can place here with the help of revolve command. Second is, you can make the hollow object with the help of revolve command. You can put here the thickness, suppose thickness as a 10. So you can put the thickness as well. How this object is look like in original shape, you can check from here. Originally it will look like in a part. So we want the solid object, so that's why I am keeping this as a option. Suppose this is the object we have drawn. Now in particular case we can remove the material as well. So select the plane. Here suppose we are taking one small circle having dimensions 100, this distance as 300, and this distance as a 100. Keep the center axis, click on OK. Now click on the revolve. Here the material is added, but as well as you can remove the material by using this command. So this is the material removal option from which we can remove the material as well with the help of revolve command. So this is the application of revolve command.